At the count of three, I want everybody in the place to be to make some noise if you're down with me.
Prepare yourself.
Teach me how to boogie. Teach me how to boogie. Woo!
Welcome to the Philippines, Manila be the city, yeah. I moved to the motherland, now I got a home here. Got a lot of slick talk, everybody hustling. Gotta put a stop to corruption.
Let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there, homie.
Let's go. So a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think it he be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna dead it, then I'm gonna murder everything and anything about a boom, about a thing. I gotta do a lot of things to make it clearer to a couple niggas that I always win, and then I gotta get it again and again and again.
I'm done.
Yo, bring it back.
Look at me now, look at me now, oh. I'm getting paid.
Stop! Put your hands up!
Inaamin ko, nagkamali ako. Inaamin ko, nasaktan ko ang puso mo.
Oh my God!
Autobots!
Hey! What is wrong with you?
Last night, about 10 to 11, when I first laid eyes on you. We're standing in line into Club 777. It was just like heaven and a dream come true. We're standing in the right place at the right time. When you this girl caused the crime, you're my pretty little girl who made me a fool in love. Got my heart all in the world, and now it needs cooling. You set my heart on fire. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kita pagkat nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kitang tapat. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko.